All right, we are expected to carry out this multiplication and leave our answer in the base 8. Let's get straight into the solution. So we have 1, 3, 4 to be multiplied by 2, 3. Both numbers written in base 8. All right. The rule is that there is no digit. All digits allowed here should be less than 8. That's the rule here. So we have to observe that in our multiplication. Let's start straight off with the digit on the far right-hand side. That is 3, multiplying all the digits on top. So let's go. 3 times 4. 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12. And 12 being greater than the base 8 is not welcome here. Therefore, we have to divide. The base 8 divides into 12, gives us 1, remainder 4. And now we have to write that remainder 4 and take the 1 over into the next result. 3 now multiplied by 3 gives us 9. That 9 plus the incoming one we have gives us 10. And again, 10 being bigger than the base requires the division process. So 8 divides into 10 gives us 1 with the remainder 2. And of course, we're going to write the remainder 2 and take the 1 into the next result. 3 multiplied by 1 gives us 3 plus the incoming 1, and we have 4. The 4 being less than the base 8 can be written, and therefore we have to write our 4 there. Beautiful. Now it is the turn of the 2 to repeat that process. So the result will be written underneath the 2 towards the left. So let's go. 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8. And 8 matches the base 8, therefore we cannot write it. So the division must occur. The base 8 divides into the result 8, gives us 1 with the remainder 0. So this is a perfect division. We're going to write the remainder 0 underneath and take the 1 into the next digits. Now 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. 6 plus the incoming 1 we have here gives us 7. And 7 being less than the base 8 can be written. Of course, we have to write it. Finally, 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2, which we can write because it is far less than the base 8. The final is to add this result, operation addition right here. And that addition must be done in the base 8. So let's go. 4 plus 0 underneath, we have 4. 2 plus 0 gives us 2. And of course, 4 plus 7 gives us 11. 11 cannot be written here because it is more than the base 8. So we have to carry out our usual division. Let's go. The base 8 divides into 11, gives us 1, remainder 3. And now we write the remainder 3 and take the 1 into the next digits. The 1 plus the 2 existing here gives us 3. 3 being less than 8 can be written. And this is to the base 8. Our final answer. Very simple. And that is actually the option A right there. All right. Attached to this video are 2 quizzes that you can attempt to test your understanding of the content of this video. Also attached to the pinned comments is a test on the topic number basis. 30 questions to be attempted in 30 minutes. So you can click on the link to the test in the pinned comment. Finally, you can click on the link in the pinned comment to access the full presentation of the topic number basis. And the link is attached to the pinned comment. Test your understanding and also study the topic. Thank you for being part of the session. Please like and share this video. Above all, turn on the notification bell so that you can understand when new video is produced. Thank you for being part of the session once again. See you in the next video.